We're out in the garage and we're going to show you how to smash up a pallet, but not just smash it up into pieces, how to get the best out of it, how to turn what is essentially quite rubbish cheap wood into something that's usable at the other end to make something awesome.
And we're going to make something awesome made out of pellet.
Pallet, yeah! We love making stuff. I personally love making stuff out of reclaimed materials. See the hot tub video. See the hot tub video, see the video about the secret staircase. This is daddy-daughter time as well, so we're going to get some smashing stuff done in a minute.
First, we are going to smash off these square bits, like this.
So now we are left with a flat piece of wood to work on. So we can start by returning those nails back through with the hammer, pull those out.
The back of my hammer, I need to pull the nails out. And they're very stiff. That's why I need daddies.
Be patient, use the nail bar all the way along the end again, and you'll be left with all of this as raw materials for your project. So first pallet is being completely disassembled. So we have one stack of planks. Yeah, so you can see here, these are what I said earlier about the two, those are sort of the structural nails, and these are the little tacks that just hold the planks on. So those are the ones we were working on to start with. Obviously those ones slip through the net, but they are pretty rubbish nails as well. All of these things are built super cheap, super quick. So these are air gun nails, so they don't hammer back very nicely. They tend to bend a lot. 5 decent planks there, a couple of bits that just need the end trimming up a little bit. A pile of casualties, scrap wood. As I said, I'd never expect to get the full square inches of timber from the pallet into usable indoor sort of posh wood, but we'll be able to tart this up well enough. We'll put the plane on it, put the sander on it and get that going. Got a handful of nails that'll go in the scrap bin. You never know, a couple hundred more. We might have enough nails to weigh in. The multi-cut blade on the chop saw, so if I hit a nail or two, it really does not matter at all. So I'm going to chop that up into burnable sizes, and that's going to go in to keep us warm. And that's how we'll process a pallet into usable wood, and the casualties get burned.